In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Shopify dropshipping business selling hair products using AliExpress. We'll go through the entire process, from setting up your store to managing your orders, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to create a Shopify store. Shopify offers a free trial to get you started, so take advantage of that. During the trial, you'll have the chance to experiment with your store setup before committing to a plan. When you're ready, choose a suitable plan that fits your budget and business goals. Keep in mind, investing in a plan is a step towards streamlining your business operations as your store grows. Once your store is set up, the next step is choosing a dropshipping app. Head over to the Shopify App Store and select an app that will connect your store to AliExpress. Apps like Dares, Oberlo, or DSers are popular choices because they automate both the product import process and order fulfillment. These apps are integral to managing your inventory efficiently. With your app chosen, the next task is connecting it to AliExpress. Follow the app's detailed instructions to link up your AliExpress account, or if you're new to AliExpress, go ahead and create one. This connection is crucial, as it allows the app to seamlessly import products from AliExpress into your Shopify store. Now it's time for some product research. Use the tools available in your dropshipping app or conduct your own research to find hair products on AliExpress that align with your store's vision. Look for products that have high demand, good reviews, and decent shipping times. This way, you'll be more prepared to meet customer expectations and secure sales. Once you've identified potential products, proceed with importing them into your Shopify store. Your chosen app will facilitate this by importing essential information such as product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing details. This step is all about efficiency, as the app greatly simplifies the process, saving you time. After importing, focus on customizing and optimizing your product pages. High-quality images and compelling descriptions are key components that attract customers. Ensure that your product titles are clear and that your descriptions highlight unique features and benefits. Additionally, set competitive prices that cover costs while appealing to your target market. Following customization, it's crucial to set up automated fulfillment, allowing the app to handle order processing. This means when a customer places an order, it's sent directly to AliExpress, where it gets fulfilled without much effort on your part, keeping your operations smooth and efficient. Finally, the work doesn't stop at setting up your store. You'll need to actively market it using various channels like social media, email marketing, and online ads to attract customers. As orders start coming in, remember to track them closely. Ensuring timely fulfillment is vital to maintaining customer satisfaction and fostering repeat business. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to starting a successful Shopify dropshipping business selling hair products from AliExpress. Follow these guidelines and you'll be well equipped to manage your new venture. Good luck!